Here's how to make a recipe ebook template in Canva. Also, if you want to get all the features of Canva, click on my link down in the description to get Canva Pro. So first of all, open up your web browser and then go to the official website of Canva, which is canva.com. Then make sure you're logged into your account. Now, what you need to do is click on the search bar over here. Then type in and search for a recipe ebook. So as you can see, we got a lot of good looking templates. Just click on the one that you want to use and then select customize this template. So once this template loads up, all you need to do is select whichever part of the template you want to edit and then edit it according to your preference. As you can see, I'm selecting different parts of the template and then changing it according to my preferences. You can also add additional images. Just go over to the photos section on the left panel. After that, scroll through and select whichever picture that you want. You can also upload your own images if you want. And that is exactly how you can make a recipe ebook template in Canva. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro to access all the features of Canva. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.